it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, my JAMAICA'S? Give me another reaction. Move. Today we're here with Great Falcon. Yeah, man, Great Falcon. First time I listened to one of the G them product. So I'm gonna jump in it and hear what. Before we do that, this is a music video. And the link to this one will be pinned in the comment section. So go over his channel, drop a sub, and make him know what you think about the song as well and the video, because it's a music video, alright? So, big up the production team, yeah. Big up Heads and Lunch. Heads and Lunch from Big Yard. Let me tell you, while me say Big Yard, big up 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 record, yeah man, straight out of Mountain View side. You know, yeah, man. Mountain View. Yeah, big up all of Mountain View, man. Yeah. So I could jump in the one and see where the G officer. Falcon, let's go, Great Falcon. Flying, you know. 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 record. Shorty.
Like to watch, then go and watch now. I always feel like somebody's watching me. Stop fucking watching me.
I want you, dog.
I always feel like somebody's watching me.
I want watch
Stop
you,
fucking watching me.
Fuck off, don't
I'm
watch
here
him.
to party, shorty, just wine for me. Cock out your body, girl, wine for me. Girl, wine for me and cry for me. Go down slow and touch your knee. Do the best in me, I'm the destiny.
Ladies! Falcon have something for you. Falcon have something for you. Shorty. Yeah, remember that one I got pinned in the comment section, so go over there, go check it out. That's it. Yeah, man.
Like to watch, then go and watch now.
Yeah,
I
man.
always feel like somebody's watching
Go in.
me.
We are watching,
Stop
go in.
fucking watching me. Oh, I always feel like somebody's watching me. Stop fucking watching me. I'm here to party, shorty, just wine for me. Cock out your body, girl, wine for me. Girl, wine for me and cry for me. Go down slow and touch your knee. Do the best in me, I'm a destiny.
Yeah, go down slow and touch your knee, mama. You have to flexible. You have to elasticy. You have to elasticy. That is what Great Falcon is saying. Not me, ladies. A Great Falcon says so.
Go down slow and touch your knee. Do the best in me, I'm a destiny.
What?
Cock out your body, girl, wine for me and
Why?
cry for me and
Why?
die for me. Go down slow.
Wait, say cry for you and die for you. I said serious blood clot. At them type of the love you want me, Jane. If you cry for you and die for you. Wait. What up? You're serious? Wait. Again.
Like to watch, then go and watch now. I always feel like somebody's watching me. Stop fucking watching me. Oh, I always feel like somebody's watching me. Stop fucking watching me. I'm here to party, shorty, just wine for me. Cock out your body, girl, wine for me. Girl, wine for me and cry for me. Go down slow and touch your knee. Do the best in me, I'm a destiny.
What on?
Cock out your body, girl, wine for me and cry for me and die for me. Go down slow and touch your knee, girl. Submit to me.
Submissive,
I'm
girl,
sitting in
man.
the battle with the smoky jacket on. Fire is burning and shorty is warm. Try to make a move, just can't make it. Our man is on the floor. Falcon now go run. Tonight me and shorty have to have fun. 21 and the 40. Give me some more wet and the straight rum. Cock out your body, girl, wine for me. Girl, wine for me and cry for me.
More
Go
wet
down
and
slow
straight
and
rum.
touch your knee. Do the best in me, I'm a destiny. Cock out your body, girl,
Wine for me,
and cry
wine for me, and
die for me.
What on?
Go down slow and touch your knee, girl.
Let's hear what go on the second verse now.
Definition of a wifey. Your tattoo does a shock like a 12-volt. Come sit up on the pole. Your panocha yeah. Tight and clean and fine.
Hear the man definition of a wifey. When you hear definition of a wifey, listen again.
Definition of a wifey. Your tattoo does a shock like a 12-volt. Come sit up on the pole.
But
your panocha tight and clean and fine. This a gal when me want forever. Shorty, me love you forever. Are you me love? Tick-tock, love how your body does around. Cock out your body, girl, wine for me. Girl, wine for me and cry for me. Go down slow and touch me. Do the best to me, I'm the destiny.
Easy.
Cock out your body, girl, wine for me and cry for me and die for me. Go down slow and touch me, girl. Submit to me. I'm sitting in the battle with the smoky jacket on. Fire is burning and Shorty is warm. Try to make a move, just can't make it. Our man is on the floor. Falcon now go run. Tonight me and Shorty have fun. 21 and the 40. Give me some wet and the straight rum. Cock out your body, girl, wine for me, girl, wine for me, girl, cry for me. What? Go down slow and touch your knee. Do the best to me, I'm a destiny. Cock out your body, girl, wine for me and cry for me and die for me. Go down slow and touch your knee, girl. Submit to me.
Submit.
Cock out your body, girl, wine for me and cry for me. Go down slow and touch your knee. Do the best to me, I'm a destiny.
Clock like somebody's watching me.
Stop fucking watching me.
You hear that? Stop. Go in your yard and move on there. Move on there. Boy, yeah, watch him, man. Move on there. Watch man too much. Yeah, what? Take him on a TV. Falcon, a great Falcon until they say, oh, the one with the watching thing, me, G. You know what I mean? If you want one, I get them. Those flowers, you want to get them and say, yo, beg you want to get them, me, G. We are watching me for that. You think me a satellite? Yeah, Google Earth. Yeah, watch man. So, what the blood clot here you want there? Move on there. Do me a favor now, guys. Do me a favor. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section. Go over Great Falcon page and drop us up on him channel. Him have enough song over there on him YouTube. So go over there, go check out the catalog if you like what I go on. You see me? Yeah. Let me know what you guys think. And go over there, go let Falcon know what I go and see me too. Because I don't want to pin down in the comment section. You see me? Yeah. Not in the description, in the comment section. Falcon! Yeah, man. Big up yourself. Go and do it, my G. Go and do it. Go and do it. You see me? Heads and lunch. Big up yourself from Big Gear. You don't know I'm done big up already. You see me? Yeah. 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Yes. 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 Records. You don't know, so your production is straight to the mountain view. Big up yourself. See me too. Let me know what you guys think, like I said. You see me? And I will catch you guys in the next one. Alright? Peace. I always feel like somebody's watching me. Stop fuck. Hey, alright. Now give me a middle finger. Cool.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.